8 out of 10 people will read the headline, but only 2 out of 10 will read the rest. This means 80% of the headline are not strong enough to hold the reader's attention and get them to click. Imagine you work hard on writing a blog post, or you make a video for a week, but just because your headline wasn't good enough, you are not getting the desired results. That's why it's so important to know how to write a good headline. In this video, you will learn how you can create a headline that entices people to click, share, and open by using 4 use formula. These are urgent, useful, be ultra specific, and unique. So let's eradicate the boring generic headline from your life once and for all. Number 1, urgent. Out of sight, out of mind. That's why you never want your reader to put off your article or video for later. You have to create a sense of urgency. If they don't act now, they will miss out. But always remember a rule of thumb. If you create a sense of urgency, you must provide the value as you promised. Otherwise, you will lose credibility and trust. You can use urgency in your headline using power words like now, today, quick. An example would be perfect way to grow your Twitter today. Okay, let's improve this headline by using urgency. 10 study tips to improve your productivity. Pause the video and try it out. Improve this headline. The improved version of it would be 10 study hacks you can do right now to improve your productivity. See the difference? Number 2, be unique. People love new and surprising things, and if you write in a way that's fresh, innovative, and unique, people are more likely to pay attention. To write unique headline, you can use power words like discover, unleash, amazing, surprising. If I say transform your career, can you make it unique? Pause the video and try it out. The improved version of it would be transform your career with these surprising strategies. Okay, here is another one. Power of positive thinking versus you can improve this headline by saying discover the exclusive power of positive thinking. Number 3, be ultra specific. It's always better if you can be ultra specific in your headline. This way you will get more niche specific audience, and besides, we all love to know what we'll get if we click on something. Here is an example. I can say how to become a copywriter, or you can improve it and be more ultra specific and say how to become a copywriter in 90 days and quit your job. Here is another example. You can say maximize productivity with these simple tricks, or you can be more ultra specific and say maximize your productivity with these 5 or 10 simple tricks, so people will know what they are getting. To sum it up, how to be more ultra specific in your headline: pinpoint the problem, add a specific details, offer a solution. Number 4, be useful. It's super easy and simple to create useful headline. A way to do this to provide value and benefit is that simple. Some examples are logging out from Facebook from all devices. This headline is very useful. If people are in need of this, they will more likely to click on it. Or I can give you another example like how to run properly while breathing. I don't know it. If I see an headline like this, I will more likely to click on it because it's useful. But don't be clever and witty. You may get them to click, but you will lose in the long game. Just be helpful and useful. You can't go wrong. So this is how you use 4 use formula to create headline. To sum it up: urgent, how does it move the reader to act? Unique, how does it surprise the reader? Be ultra specific, how does it give details to the reader? And number 4, useful, how does it help the reader? See you in the next video.